Isa pang uri ng special product ay tinatawag nating perfect square trinomials. No? Special product kasi magagamitan natin siya ng special din na paraan para ma-factor natin. Ano itsura ng perfect square trinomials? Trinomial, basically polynomial with three terms. So, yun yung unang-unang mo. Tatlo ba yung terms? Bukod doon, dapat pansinin, square yung unang term, square yung last term, tapos yung middle term natin, so may dalawang version yan, tingnan natin mamaya kung anong pinakaiba. Middle term natin ay twice ng product nila. Sabihin ko ano yung ini-square mo sa first term, ano yung ini-square mo sa last term, multiply mo, tapos twice ng product nila yung middle term nila. Alright? Kung ganun yung conditions, pwede mo silang i-factor using the definition of perfect square trinomial. Says, squared plus 2ab plus squared is equal to quantity a plus b squared or a plus b multiplied by itself. Right? Nasabi ko kanina, dalawang uri yan. Pinakaiba lang naman ay yung sign ng middle term. So, pwedeng addition plus yung positive yung middle term. Pwedeng subtraction kasi negative yung middle term. Tapos yung magiging pinagkaiba lang din ng product nila ay yung sign. Pwedeng addition yung nasa loob, pwedeng subtraction yung nasa loob. Addition, kung positive yung middle term. Subtraction, kung negative naman yung middle. Hindi siya mahirap na tandaan. Kailangan mo lang tingnan lagi, first term, square ba? Second term, square ba? Tapos kung yung middle term ba ay twice ng product nung ini-square mo to get the first and second term. Apply natin sa examples. Sa example 1 natin, we are asked to factor x squared minus 6x plus 9. Tingnan natin kung siya ba ay perfect square trinomial. Sabi natin, ang isang perfect square trinomial can be written in this form. X squared plus a plus or minus 2a plus b. Yan ko na ng plus or minus, no? Kasi pwedeng addition, pwedeng fraction yung nasa mid. Tingnan natin, square ba yung first term ko? The answer is yes. Kaya ako nagkaroon ng x squared kasi minultiply si x by itself. How about the last term? Si 9 ba ay square? Of course, it's 3 times 3. Now, tingnan natin kung yung middle term ba ay product, twice nung product nung x, meaning a natin, then nung b. Naman, in this natin, 2ab twice of a, that's x, and then b naman is 3. Natin, this is x, try mo pa ng 3, that's 6x. Uy, sinin, subtraction ito. Ibig sabihin ba mali tayo? The perfect square trinomial? Well, if you think about it, pwede nating makuha yung negative 6x kung isa sa i-consider natin ay negative. Alam natin na ito ay, kaya naging 9 ay 3 times 3. How about the negative counterpart? Negative 3 times negative 3 is also positive 9. Pwedeng si 3 ang negative or si x ang consider mong negative. No? Basta isa lang sa kanila tingnan, kuhanan mo ng negative na counterpart. Makuha mo pa rin yung negative 6x. So kung si 3 ang negative, times x is 2x, times negative 3 is negative 6x. So papasok dun sa criteria ng pagiging perfect square trinomial. Ibig sabihin, kaya na natin siyang i-rewrite. And a plus or minus b, tapos multiply lang by itself. Try natin. So, alam natin na binomial yung factor, multiplied by itself. Ano yung a natin? A multiply to get the first term. Sabi natin, pwedeng x. Pwedeng minus x. Basta isa lang yung negative na i-consider mo. And then, minus sign yung middle term. Negative. So, minus sign din nasa loob ng parenthesis. Ano yung in-square natin to get b? Diba kaya natin nakuha itong negative 6x kasi ginawa kong negative yung 3. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. Hindi ko kinonsider yung negative na x. So, baka malito tayo dyan. Alis ko. Yan. Which means, lalagay ko dito ay 3. And this is our factored for x minus 3 times x minus 3. Or, simply, quantity x minus 3. Sabihin, minultiply mo si x minus 3 by itself twice. Tayo sa isang example. Factor 4x raised to 4 plus 36x squared plus 81. Again, goal natin ay makita kung siya ba ay nakasulat sa ganitong form. No? A squared plus minus 2ab plus squared. Kasi kung ganyan yung form niya, ibig sabihin perfect square trinomial. Ibig sabihin, pwede natin siya i-factor using the definition of perfect square trinomial. Evaluate natin. First term ba ay square? 4x raised to 4? Yes. Product yan ni 2x squared times 2x. Tama? How about this last term? This last term, 81, is product of 9 by itself. 9 times 9, 81. Ito rin yung negative counterpart. Totoo yun para sa parehas. Pero hindi na natin kailangan problemahin yun kasi positive naman to. Kailangan ko na lang i-check kung twice ba ng product ni 2x squared at saka 9 yung 36x squared. Twice of A is 2x squared. Yun yung nakuha mo. Yun yung ini-square mo to get 4x raised to 4. Then B, 9. Try natin. 2 times 2x squared is 4x raised to 2. Multiply mo sa 9. So that's going to be 36x, which is our middle term. Sabihin, perfect square trinomial ito. So, pwede nating i-factor using the definition, which is a binomial by itself. Ano yung a natin? 2x squared. Ano yung sign ng middle term? Addition. So, plus din yung nasa loob. And then, ano yung ini-square natin to get the last term? 9. And yung factored form natin. Quantity 2x squared plus 9. Let's have our final example para sa video na to. Same instruction. Factor. Si x raised to 6 plus 8x cubed plus 64. Again, tingnan muna natin kung siya ba ay perfect square trinomial. Pasok ba siya sa definition natin? Kasi kung oo, ibig sabihin alam na natin yung magiging factored form niya. Yes, ganito. Square ba si first term? Yes, that's the product of x cubed times x cubed. How about the last term? The last term, square din. 8 times 8 yan eh. Now, let's see kung twice ba ng product nila ay 8x cubed. A is x cubed is 8. Check. Times x cubed is 2x cubed. Multiply mo sa 8. So, that is 24x cubed. Unfortunately, hindi yun yung middle term natin. Which means, this is not a perfect square trinomial. It also means we cannot use this definition para ma-factor siya. So, maybe we can think of another way. May common monomial factor ba siya? Pwede ba natin gamitan ng ibang paraan? Pero, hindi muna natin ito try yun kasi sa video na to, all about perfect square trinomials. Ibig sabihin lang, hindi natin siya ma-factor using this definition. Now, it's your turn. You do this, factor lang itong numbers 1 to 3. Let me know in the comments kung ano mo common sagot o kung may bahagi ng video na to na hindi mo ganong naunawaan. Thank you so much for watching this video.